This video is to demonstrate the inventory and the proper operation of 5 Lapmasters prior to shipping. Each one comes with a DC speed controller, a bag, a manual, and these 3 round lapping tools. The second one, it's got the bag, the manual, speed controller, the lapping tools, 15 weights, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. The third one, speed controller, bag, manual, the lapping tools. Fourth one, the bag, the manual, speed controller, and the lapping tools. Fifth one, speed controller, bag, manual, and the lapping tools. We're gonna go ahead now and go through the operation, starting on this one, working around clockwise. We'll start with 143.81. Serial number 18362. Turn on the machine. Hit start. Turn on the RPMs. All the way up. All the way down. Turn this up. All the way up. All the way down. Turn on the speed controller. Turn it up. That's one. Asset ID 140377. Serial number 18348. Turn on main machine. Start. RPMs all the way up, all the way down. Turn this one on, all the way up, all the way down, off. Speed controller on, all the way up. Off. Next unit, 14379. Serial number 18347. Turn on unit. Hit start. RPMs up. RPMs down. On. Turn it up. Turn it down and off. Speed controller on. RPM on. There was something in there that was not supposed to be there. Turn it off. Just some trash got caught. Back on. All seems better now. not bent, didn't damage. Off. And do the next one. 14380. Serial number. $18,36,3. Turning on unit. Start. Turning on RPMs. All the way up. All the way down. On. Down. Pump. There it is. Off. Off. Next one. 14383. Serial number. $18,35,8. Machine on. Start. RPMs up. RPMs down. It's already on. Turn on speed. Off. Speed controller on. Pump is on and rotating. Off. Off. And that is it.